Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. Jamie here. Happy Thursday to everybody. We just had 2 days off here. Got a lot of stuff done, got our garden going, did some cool things for out front. So give everybody a minute here to join in. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for listening. This is episode 199. So tomorrow, if everything works out properly, tomorrow will be my 200th episode. I believe that either on Facebook or on Instagram, we posted a win a $25 gift card to Aroma Thyme if you put a drink. What would you like to see me make, or what is your favorite cocktail? So if you go on and comment to that, we will be drawing the winner next week, I believe on Monday. So thank you, everybody. Hi. Thanks for joining me. Hello, Brenda. Hello, Heather. Hello, Catherine. Hello, Joel. Heather, thank you. I appreciate you watching. Give me a wave, give me a hi, give me a hashtag live in the comments so that I know that you are here. Let's see, it is Thursday. Tonight is our tonight is for our $9.99 takeout special. It is burgers. So burger night tonight. And then our $9.99 special for all week is our wild coho salmon. So for $9.99 you can order the salmon, and if you would like any sides or anything, you can add on to that. We have bottles of wine to go, we have mixed drinks, we have lots and lots of cool stuff to go. Our regular menu is available as well to go. We are open, our garden will be open tonight. It is so beautiful out, I think most people will want to sit outside tonight. So we'll try to do the opposite of what we normally do when we're sitting inside. Tonight we're going to be seating outside, and if you don't want to sit outside, you'll have to bear with us, and you can sit inside. So we do have a couple of reservations, but everybody pretty much wants to sit outside tonight. It is beautiful out. It is gorgeous. Hopefully you got out there, got some sun today, did some gardening, went for a walk, went for a run, hike, something. So thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Today is my 199th episode. So tomorrow should be my 200th episode. I'm pretty excited about that. So I've done almost 200 episodes since last March. And today I am bringing you a cucumber gin and tonic. So it's going to be my little take on gin and tonic. You can muddle up cucumbers. I'm going to use this Wild Moon cucumber liqueur. So I am going to start with ice in my glass. Give me a second, I'm gonna get ice out of my ice tin. And ice in my glass. I'm gonna pour about a half an ounce of the cucumber liqueur from Wild Moon. I'm going to add about 1.5 ounces of gin. And I'm going to top it off with tonic from my gun, my well. And we are going to mix that up. Hopefully this is yummy. You know, I love gin and tonics. I don't know about you, but in the summertime, I just love them. So there you have it, a cucumber gin and tonic. Oh, so refreshing, so good. You can muddle cucumbers if you don't have cucumbers at home. If you don't have any cucumber liqueur at home, you can muddle cucumbers. Gin, tonic, and cucumbers, awesome. I'm gonna take another sip. Tonight's special to go, $9.99. We have our salmon until Sunday, and we have our burgers, which are $9.99 to go tonight. And the streets will be closed starting tomorrow night. I believe they start at 4. I can't remember the time offhand. I think it's 4. And we'll have our garden open. We'll have street dining out on the streets. The restaurant will be open. We will be hopping. Definitely make reservations. I highly recommend it. And we have a Movia wine dinner on Monday, so hopefully some of you will join us. Movia is a winery from Slovenia. And we have a rep coming, Alessandro will be here to help talk about the wines. It's $35 a person, 4 wines in a dish. Can't beat it. That's every other Monday night we do a wine dinner. We did our first beer dinner this past Monday. It was awesome. Everybody loved it. Everybody enjoyed it. They're asking for more of those as well. So Busy, busy, busy. Roma Thyme is busy. We have a couple of cool new things that we'll be bringing to you in outside in our front. So stay tuned for that. If you're not on our email, get onto our email. We send lots of cool things out all the time, upcoming events, and what's going on here. Keeping you involved, keeping you going. Hello, Eva. Hello, Brenda. Hello, Matthew. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. And hope everybody gets outside. Go for a hike, a walk, something. I know I'll be doing that tomorrow. And that is it. Marcus wants to. Oh, yeah. So we just got some T-shirts in. We're selling T-shirts and our pint glasses. Let's see if I can show that to you in the window there. So I have a little rack out now. We have T-shirts for sale. We have pint glasses. We have tulip beer glasses. It's you can't really see it. But since I'm showing you, I might as well show you the dining room. We are still set up with our grocery store. So please take advantage, order groceries, let us know what you want. We'll pack it up for you, get it ready for you, and that's it. So have a wonderful night. Hello, Joni. Have a wonderful, wonderful night. Have a wonderful weekend. If I don't talk to you, I will be here tomorrow for my 200th episode. Tag your friends. Tell your friends what we're doing here at Roma Thyme, and I will see everybody tomorrow. Cheers.